All right, everybody, I need everybody's attention. All right, there will be no kidding tonight. There will be no, I said none. I said none. There will be no kidding tonight. You will all suck it in and hold those things in for about 12 hours. This time tomorrow, it's supposed to be like 40 degrees. All right. And those of you that already have kids, good job. You already followed instructions. There is no kidding tonight. No kidding tonight. And if you are going to kid tonight, for the love of God, stay in here. But no kidding tonight.